Before Roger, Lean 351, traffic may see helicopter 12 o'clock, 4 miles northwestbound 1,200 feet. Lean 351, that traffic's now past the ILS pass there, no factor. Contact tower 120.5.
And Allegiant 351, we just lost an engine. We're going to have to go around and get this set up. Declaring an emergency.
Lean 351, I understand you're declaring emergency. You said you lost one engine. What are your intentions?
We're going to need to go around and get this set up for Allegiant 351.
Lean 351, Roger, and do you want to maintain 3,000 for now and just overfly the field, or are you looking to turn out now?
Yeah, we'll maintain 3,000 and overfly the field for Allegiant 351.
Lean 351, Roger, advise when you're able to take a turn.
Alright, we'll let you know, Allegiant 351.
Left at 6, I'll have you over to tower shortly. We do have a departure coming off Allentown. It'll be a 360 heading heavy Airbus.
Life Flight 6 copy, thank you, we'll be searching.
Departure for the 1664 heavy, 1700 for 3000, turning heading 360.
1664 heavy, outside departure, radar contact. Lead 351, traffic just depart off Allentown, 360 heading heavy Airbus. Life Flight 6, if you could, start your descent.
Roger, Life Flight 6 starting descent.
Life Flight 6, traffic may see is an Airbus overflying field 3000. He is an emergency aircraft. If you could, maintain VFR at or below 2,500.
Roger, maintain VFR at or below 2,500 for Life Flight 6.
FedEx 1664 heavy, climb, maintain 8,000, left heading 290 now.
8,000 and left turn 290, FedEx 1664 heavy.
Lead 351, traffic, 11 o'clock, 5 miles, south-southwestbound, 2,500 helicopter descending.
Copy, Lead 351, we're busy running a checklist here. We're going to go direct Monterey and hold for a second.
Lead 351, Roger. Life Flight 6, do you have the Airbus in sight, 12 o'clock, 4 miles, 3,000 feet?
Life Flight 6 has traffic in sight.
Life Flight 6, Roger, you can contact tower 120.5.
120.5 for Life Flight 6.
FedEx 1664 heavy, left direct Hottie.
Direct Hottie, FedEx 1664 heavy.
Lean 351, hold at Mudry as published, expect further clearance at 0215 Zulu, time now is 0151 Zulu, and as soon as you get your intentions, just let me know.
Okay, hold as at Monterey, 3,000 as published, we'll expect further clearance 215, hopefully we'll be done before that, we'll let you know. 351 emergency. FedEx 1664 heavy, contact New York Center 124.62.
12462, FedEx 1664 heavy, fun.
Tower, Allegiant 351, looks like we're entering the hold at Monterey at this time. We're going to keep the speed at 230, just to make sure we have enough energy here.
351, no problem, speed your discretion, just advise when you're ready to take another turn.
Okay, speed your discretion, we'll let you know for Allegiant 351 emergency. And Tower, Allegiant 351, we'd like to set up for another close ILS 6, we need vectors.
351, Roger, and you can fly heading 180 vectors to the ILS 6.
Okay, heading 180 vectors for ILS 6 for Allegiant 351, thank you.
And Lead 351, what engine is out for you?
Engine number 2 is out for Allegiant 351 emergency.
Lead 351, Roger, and is your intention here to land on this ILS 6?
Yes, we're going to land ILS 6 full stop. If you don't mind, just have ARM come out and meet us just in case.
Lead 351, Roger, we'll have the trucks rolling for you, and we'll let them know you're inbound now.
Perfect, sounds good, thank you, Allegiant 351.
Lead 351, do you happen to know the souls on board?
Yeah, give me 1 second, Allegiant 351. 171 souls on board for Allegiant 351.
351, copy that, and you continue the right turn now, 210.
Alright, 210, right turn for Allegiant 351, emergency, and I'm sorry, I told you wrong. It looks like we have 174 souls, 174 souls on board.
351, copy that, 174, thanks. And Lead 351, happen to know the fuel remaining?
Yeah, about 11.7, 11,760, and looks like as far as minutes go, we will say about another 40 minutes.
351, appreciate it, thanks. 351, flying 240.
Alright, 240 on the heading to Allegiant 351.
Allegiant 351, updated altimeter 2974, winds at the field are calm.
Okay, 2974, winds calm, Allegiant 351, thank you.
Allegiant 351, you are cleared back to the Allentown Airport via radar vector to Dallas 6, flying 260 now.
260, Allegiant 351. And for Allegiant 351, are you going to take us out close to Gisto again?
Allegiant 351, how close would you like the approach? Do you want to go out to Gisto?
Yeah, let's, that'll give us a chance to get configured on final.
Allegiant 351, roger. Would you like the procedure turn there, or do you just want vectors to final?
No, I'd rather have vectors to final. I don't want to do a procedure turn for Allegiant 351.
Allegiant 351, roger.
For Allegiant 351, is weather moving in yet, too?
Allegiant 351, we're showing just light to moderate precipitation just over East Texas and about 5 miles to the west.
Okay. And for Allegiant 351, we can take that turn now.
Allegiant 351, roger, right heading 330.
Right 330, Allegiant 351. And we're just going to intercept the glide slope at 3,000. That works for you, right?
Allegiant 351, that's what you can expect.
Okay, thanks.
Allegiant 351, you're 7 miles from Gisto. Correction, Shaggy, turn right heading 030. Maintain 3,000 to Cessna localizer. Cleared ILS 6 approach.
Right, 030 and 3,000 to establish. Clear for the ILS 6 for Allegiant 351.
Allegiant 351, you can contact tower 120.5.
20.5, Allegiant 351.
Rescue 4, the emergency aircraft is the next arrival, and they're about 3 minutes out now.
Hey, Tower, Allegiant 351 is ILS 6 for the emergency.
Allegiant 351, Allentown Tower, wind calm, runway 6, clear to land.
6 clear to land, Allegiant 351.